Hey guys, welcome back to Robert's Homestead and How-Tos. A quick little video today that's going to save you hopefully a lot of money and a whole lot of headache. So what we're going to look at today are these crawl space vents. Now, if you're not familiar with this kind, as I wasn't when we first moved into this house, these are automatic, or they're supposed to be. So what these automatically do, when it's warm outside, per their rating 70 degrees, these vents should automatically open. And then in the wintertime or fall, when it starts to get cold, I think it's around 40 or 50 degrees, they should automatically close. Now when we first moved in, I was looking for knobs. I'd never had these before. I couldn't figure out how to do it. One day I noticed they had changed, and then I finally realized, oh yeah, they're automatic. Pretty cool. Until it's not cool. And what I mean by that is, since we've lived here, it seems like every season more and more of these stopped working. And then it was last summer, I believe, I went ahead and replaced just about all of them that weren't working. You can get these at Home Depot, most likely Lowe's or Amazon, and it was a complete waste of money. Half of them didn't work and they were brand new. And what I mean by they didn't work, they didn't automatically open or close. So if you have these and they're not working, my advice to you is just don't waste the headache. Don't waste the money of going buying new and having to install. Even though the installation is pretty easy, it's basically just screws here. Let me flip this around. It's basically just 4 screws, and if they don't sit properly, then put some caulking, some sealant around there to make sure that everything's fine. Now the other problem that I tried when I got frustrated with buying the brand new automatic ones and they still didn't work, is I went back and I just bought the old school kind that you open and close manually. But those, for some reason, even though they're the same size, just didn't fit any of the fittings in our house properly, and it was just a big headache. So my workaround for this, instead of going and wasting your time, just fix it with a simple flathead screwdriver. Now you need to be super careful with this. This does have a screen here to prevent critters from getting in here and nesting and tearing up your crawl space. So what I recommend is just picking a spot and using that same spot every year. To do this, you want to try to use the same hole every season so that you're not putting a bunch of holes in the screen. You don't want animals or critters to get in there and nest and cause a havoc. So take your screwdriver and just push the vent. They should open just like that. Problem solved. All right guys, there you have it. A simple fix with a flathead screwdriver that'll save you a ton of time and a ton of headaches. I appreciate you watching the video. We'll talk to you again next time.